Hello friends, welcome to my channel Karthik's ICSE Learning. Today we are going to continue with the HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, which we call it now. And now today we are going to learn the chemical properties of HCl. So let's get on. So hydrochloric acid, what are the chemical properties? First chemical property is that it is the monobasic acid. What is monobasic acid? These are the terms which we are going to relate with the chemical properties. What is monobasic acid? So this we will learn in detail in the topic called as acids, bases and salts. Now I will just give an intro about this monobasic acid. So HCl, when it is broken, gives H plus Cl minus. Any acid which gives only one H plus ion per molecule of acid is called as monobasic acid. It gives only one H plus. If you look H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid, it gives, when broken, gives 2 H plus SO4 2 minus. This you will learn in the next lessons which you are going to do. So it gives 2 H plus ions, it gives 1 H plus ion. So this is called as diabasic acid, this is called as monobasic acid. So what do you mean by monobasic acid? An acid which gives 1 H plus ion per mole of acid. So this is called as monobasic acid. HCl gas is cannot be dissolved in toluene, which is known as organic solvents. It cannot be dissolved in organic solvents such as toluene, because toluene is a polar solvent and it cannot dissolve HCl into it. So if you want, you can copy it down. So I just want to make, so toluene does not dissolve HCl as it is not a polar solvent. And copy it down. So I hope you have copied it. Now we are moving on with the reactions of HCl. So reactions of HCl acid. Okay. First, with active metals. As we have discussed earlier, what are active metals? I'll give examples: Zn, Fe, Mg. So plus HCl gives ZnCl2 plus H2. This is Fe plus, this gives 2HCl. Fe plus 2HCl gives FeCl2 plus H2. Mg plus H2HCl gives MgCl2 plus H2. So these are the reactions with active metals. You can copy it down. And yes, here HCl is taken as diluted. It's the most important thing. It's taken as diluted, not concentrated. So you can copy it down. So the second, I hope you have copied it. The second reaction is with bases, oxide or hydroxide. So first base which we take here is CO plus HCl gives CuCl2. What is Cu? Copper oxide. CuCl2 plus H2. If you want to balance it, you can keep your 2HCl. The second reaction is with NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide plus HCl gives NH4Cl plus H2O. So this will not come. Water is liberated. No need to balance this, it is already balanced. Yes, it's already balanced. You can copy it down. So I hope you have copied it. Now with carbonates. The first which we are dealing is Na2CO3 and second is CuCO3. The first is Na2CO3 plus HCl, obviously diluted, gives NaCl plus H2O. Now we get here one more product which is called as CO2 gas. There is 2 NaCl and 2 HCl. So CuCO3 plus HCl gives CuCl2 plus H2O plus CO2. This again to HCl. You can copy it down. So now we move on to bicarbonates. First is NaHCO3 plus HCl gives NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. Nothing to balance here, it's all okay. Yes. Second one is CaHCO3 the whole twice plus HCl gives CaCO3 plus very sorry, CaCl2 plus H2O plus CO2. CaC is balanced, H here is 2. So here is 2, so here we put 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Here we put 2. Now we are moving forward to sulfides and bisulfides. Now we are moving on to sulfides and bisulfides. So first sulfite which we take is Na2SO3 plus HCl gives NaCl plus H2O. Now one more product is changed, which is SO2. So Na2SO3, 2Cl here, so 2Cl, 2H here, 2H here, so it's balanced. And yes, bisulfite. Bisulfite we are taking our NaHSO3 plus 2 plus HCl gives NaCl plus H2O plus SO2. So these are the reactions of HCl with sulfides and bisulfides. You can copy it down. Now we are going to do the reaction with sulfides. Sulfides, IDES. Sorry, really sorry. Sulfides. So with sulfides, the first sulfide which we take is Na2S plus HCl gives NaCl plus H2S. Anything to balance? Yes, here's 2, here 2. Need 2. Yes, we have to balance here 2. Yes. Second is FeS plus HCl gives FeCl2 plus H2S. Yes, this is balanced. You can copy it down. So I hope you have copied it down. There is one more sulfide. The CUS, it's black in color. There is a color change here, you have to remember it. CUS plus HCl black gives CuCl2 blue plus H2S. So if you want to balance it, you can balance just to here. Rest all is balanced. So now we move on to silver nitrate. So in silver nitrate, you have to, what is the formula? The formula is AgNO3 plus HCl gives AgCl white EPT plus HNO3 nitric acid. You can copy it down. So I hope you have copied it. So now we move on to PbNO3, the whole twice, plus HCl gives PbCl2 plus HNO3. Here it is 2, and 2. So this is soluble in hot water, lead chloride. And now we move on to thiosulfate. This is for reference. Na2S2O3, sodium thiosulfate plus HCl gives NaCl plus SO2 plus S plus H2. Oh. So S here has yellow particles of sulfur which is deposited. So this is the reaction for thiosulfate. It can be asked in boards. It's an important reaction. So now we move on to another chemical property, the reaction of HCl with oxidizing agents like lead 4 oxide, that is PbO, with oxidizing agent. So first we take MnCl2 plus MnCl2, yes, MnCl2 plus HCl, MnO2, I'm sorry, it's MnO2, that's what I was confused. MnO2 plus HCl gives MnCl2 plus H2O plus Cl2. Here you get 4 HCl. And second is with PbO2 plus HCl gives PbCl2 plus H2O plus Cl2. So here again for balancing you have to take 4. Here is Cl2. You can copy it down. So I hope you have understood. There are many more reactions with oxidizing agents. So after that we come to trilate tetroxide, which is called as red lead Pb3O4. Pb3O4 plus HCl gives PbCl2 plus H2O plus Cl2. You can balance it if you want. 8, 3, 4. And one more reaction, KMNO4 with KMNO4. KMNO4, potassium permanganate. It's also a oxidizing agent. KMNO4 plus HCl gives KCl plus MnCl2 plus H2O plus Cl2. The balancing of this is a bit hard. Put 2, here you put 16, you put 2 and 2, and this is 5. So you put 8. So I hope you have understood it. So there is one more reaction of potassium dichromate, K2Cr2O7 plus HCl gives KCl plus CrCl3 plus H2O plus Cl2. So here you have 2. So 2 here. This is 2 CrCl2. 3, 14, 7. Yes. 2 plus 2, 4. And here is 14. So here we get 5. Oh, sorry, this is not 5, this is 3. You can copy it down. So I hope you have understood this. Now we are going to aqua regia. This is an important topic. So what is Aqua Regia? The mixture of one part by concentrated HNO3 and 3 parts by concentrated HCl. So HNO3 plus 3HCl gives NOCl3 plus H2O plus Cl, nascent Cl, chlorine gas. So this is balanced. So why is this reaction done, or why is Aqua Regia, the mixture of Aqua Regia is formed? It's because noble metals like, what are noble metals? Noble metals like Ag, Au, there is silver, gold, and platinum. These all metals does not react with acids but react with Cl2. So you can easily have a reaction of this like Au plus Cl2 gives AuCl2. So like this you can even have of platinum, you can even have of silver. So I hope you have understood it. You can copy it down. So now I hope you have understood it. You have copied it down. Now we'll move for tests for HCl. First is reacting HCl with NH3 with ammonia. So NH3 plus HCl gives NH4Cl. This was the first test, that is dense white fumes are evolved. The second is a bit important, reaction of AgNO3 plus HCl gives AgCl2 plus HNO3. This is a cloudy white precipitate. AgCl2 is not soluble in excess of HCl but is soluble in excess of NH4OH. So AgCl plus NH4OH gives AgNH3 the whole twice Cl plus H2. So this is a colorless solution. This is called as diamine silver chloride. You can copy it down. So now I hope you have copied it down. If not, you can even copy by pausing the video. I just want to take one more reaction. Reaction with MnO2 is the oxidizing agent. That is MnO2 plus HCl gives MnCl2 plus H2O plus Cl2. Greenish yellow gas evolved. This is the greenish yellow gas. You can copy it down. So I hope you have copied it down. If not, you can even copy by pausing the video. So with this, we come to an end of the chapter called as Study of Compounds HCl. In the next lecture, we will start a new topic. So till then, have a good day and thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, you can subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much.